Certainly. If you're looking for CCTV camera installation services, here are some key points to consider. Professional installation. It's essential to hire a professional technician or company with experience in CCTV camera installation. They can ensure proper placement, wiring, and configuration of the cameras. Camera placement. Consider the areas you want to monitor. Common locations include entrances, parking lots, hallways, and outdoor spaces. The technician will strategically position the cameras for optimal coverage. Camera types. There are various types of CCTV cameras, such as dome cameras, bullet cameras, and PTZ pan-tilt zoom cameras. Choose the type that suits your surveillance needs. Wired versus wireless. Decide whether you want wired or wireless cameras. Wired cameras require cabling, while wireless cameras use Wi-Fi. Wired cameras are generally more reliable but may involve more installation work. Resolution and quality. Higher resolution cameras provide clearer images. Consider HD, 720p or 1080p, or even 4K cameras for better details. Night vision. If you need surveillance at night, choose cameras with infrared IR LEDs for night vision. Storage. Decide how you'll store footage. Options include local storage, DVR/NVR, or cloud-based storage. Remote access. Modern CCTV systems allow remote access via mobile apps or web browsers. Ensure your system supports this feature. Legal considerations. Be aware of privacy laws and regulations related to